Let's face it, video is the now. Video is the format used for learning, public relations, and even content marketing. If you are a beginner in the video content creation space, or you simply want to learn anything about video creation, join this group below for exclusive free trainings and tutorials about confidence on camera, pre production, filming, editing, and even growing your audience. I'll see you there. Let's talk about finding your niche. So, first off, niche is more than just a specific topic for your videos. Of course, you have to define your topic. So, that's number one. You have to define your topic or your specific subject. What specific video are you going to make? And why are you going to make it? What is your video's purpose? Do you want to inform? Do you want to educate or to teach something? Or do you want to persuade or sell something? Those are the things that you want to consider when you're trying to niche down. I've seen a lot of video content creators who are demotivated. They don't know how to start. Or they have a lot of ideas, but they can't decide which one to create videos on. Find your passion. Find that thing that you are truly passionate about so that you don't get demotivated. Write it down in the comment section below. Any topic or subject that you can talk about confidently with your friends. Ask yourself, what is your true passion? And what are you really good at? If you're not good at anything, or you think you're not good at anything, at least there's something that you would like to learn, or you would like to do, or you're willing to spend time or money to learn. That is something to begin with. Next is your audience, or who do you want to serve, or who do you want to talk to? Who would you like to watch your videos? Next is language or communication style. Now that you know who your audience is, now that you have defined who your audience is, how do they communicate? What's their style? Last is the platform or your audience's location. Where do they hang out? Where do they see your videos? Do they use Facebook? Do they use other websites? Do they use professional websites? Do they use social media? If they do, which social media sites do they use? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.